Now class, we are going to look at converting time in minutes to hours. Can you read it? Converting time in minutes into hours. For example, you will be given a work like this. Convert Can you read that? Convert 185 minutes into hours. So what is the first thing here to do? What is the first thing here to do? Class? So this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to start with the formula, which says that 1 hour is equal to how many minutes?
60 minutes.
How many minutes? 60 minutes. Are we there? Now, we have how many minutes do we have here? How many? 185. So our work here is to do this, to find out how many times this 60 goes into 185. What about 185 minutes? Are we there? What about 185 minutes? Sawa? So 1 hour is 60 minutes. 2 hours, it will be how many minutes? 2 hours, how many minutes? You take 2 times 60 minutes. You get how many minutes? 120 minutes. You get 120 minutes. This here we have 2 hours. What? We have gotten here 120 minutes. Imefika 185. Has it reached there? No. So we proceed. 3 hours. We get that 60 times 3. 3 times 60. How much do we get? How many minutes? 180. 180 minutes. Is it near 185 or not? Imekaribia ama bado? Imekaribia, si ndio? Imebaki juu ngapi? 5 minutes. So this is what we say. 185 minutes is equal to how many hours? 3 hours. We say that 3 hours. Then how many minutes will remain? We take this 185, we minus 180. So 185 minus 180. How much do we get? 5 minus 0? 5. 8 minus 8? 0. 1 minus 1? So it is 3 hours and how many minutes? 5. Understood? Understood? Clap for yourself. Number 2. Number? This one I want someone to come and work it out. Convert 130 minutes into hours. 130 minutes into hours. Girls? Boys? This is what we said. We said that we start with our formula. Our formula is 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Are we there? Now, so what we have to do here is to find out how many times this 60 goes into 130, and that is the hours. Are we there? Now, so we say 1, that is 1 hour times 1 times 60. How much do we get? How much do we get? 60. Are we there? Then let's work with the 2. 2 times 60. How much do we get? How much? 120. Is it near 130 or not? Is it near there? Iko karibu hapo kwa 130. Si ndio? Now, how many times has it gone there? How many times? 2 hours. So we say 2 hours. The answer is 2 hours. Then if we want to work out the minutes, we subtract 120 from 130. Sawa sawa? Do you understand? Yes. Tuna subtract 120 kutoka kwa 130 minutes. Sawa sawa? Tunapata ngapi? 130 minus 120. Tunapata ngapi? Yes? How many minutes? 10 minutes. Are we there? So here, the answer is 2 hours and 10 minutes. Unafahamu? Do you understand? Now, I'll pick someone to come and work out this way. Right? Yes, come. Let's clap for her as she comes. Let's clap for her. Good girl. Higher. Now let us see. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? I told you we have to start with the formula, like we say 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. What about 150 minutes? Are we there? So 1 times 60 still we get 60. 2 times 60 we get 120. Now 120 is not too far from 150. Sawa sawa? So therefore we do what? We do subtraction. We find the difference between 150 and 120, which is the 30. So here he got 2 hours and 30 minutes. Are we there? Let's clap for her. Clap for her. Yeah, mashallah. Mashallah. We say Amal Jaydun. Amal? Kazi nzuri Aya, fine.